I original from Vietnam, but my parents from Guangdong. When that time a Japanese war, so they escaped from the Guangdong to Vietnam. So I was born in Vietnam. So a lot of people said, "Oh, you're Vietnamese." I said, "No, I'm Chinese, but I was born in Vietnam." So are you sure? I said, "Yeah, but I can speak Vietnamese, Chinese, but now English too."
After I was living in Vietnam, yeah, and I was invited to teach at Saigon University, but the communists come in. They feel the Chinese are successful in their life. The Chinese already have house, have a car. Then they want to confiscate all our fortune. They make a lot of hardship for us. And also they want the young Chinese get into the army to invade Cambodia. And these young men got to sign a volunteer paper. If they don't sign a volunteer paper, they cut the food stamp.
No food to eat.
So it's a horrible time.
That time, we don't know. We stay in Hong Kong in the New Fiji camp for 6 months. We work there. We're happy, but John said no, we can't stay here because later, they will trouble again. So we apply to. We can apply to America, Canada, Australia, but that time John said no. We have to go to New Zealand, just small country, get out of war and peaceful country. Yeah, so after we said, okay, whatever. If we say and we're happy, that's okay. So we decide to apply to New Zealand.
I have 4 stents in my heart and 4 bypass and 4 coil in my head. I have cataract, I have a gout, a lot of things. But I'm lucky. I met a lot of friendly doctor and nurse. They help me at Rotorua and Hamilton. So I feel good. I don't worry. Yeah, at the moment. So then one worry, the thing I worry, I cannot finish my writing. I want to leave for next generation of New Zealand children to learn, to understand the Chinese culture, the Chinese character.
Elderly people all rely on son and daughter. That means the culture always the children look up our elderly people. But in New Zealand, they're different. If they grow up, they just independent by themselves. They don't care about father, mother. When you're getting old, you just go to the rest home or retirement home. So they don't care. But our Chinese way is different. I think the nurse must be really patient for elderly people because some way, they can't understand. Look like we got some friend in New Zealand, elderly people. She's sick, she went to hospital. She can't understand things. So sometimes we come over to translate and tell the nurse, you have to patient with her. And sometimes, now at the moment, I got dictionary. So she can't understand what thing, so she just talk by English. So the dictionary can translate for English so she can understand. She happy now.
I told the Chinese old people is work hard in New Zealand. They have no time to learn English good. So when they get sick, it's a big problem for them. They can't talk to doctor, can't talk to nurse. So the only thing we wish is the nurse must be patient and kind to those old Chinese. Yeah, because they just walk. and they forgot to learn. Yeah. I hope the nursing school children got to be patient and kind to them. That's the most important thing. Yeah.